Hello YouTube and welcome back to another banger. In this video we are going to be talking about how to make your mornings great. So basically what's going to happen is I'm just going to tell you guys my daily morning routine. You can add to this, you can make your own routine, you can take inspiration from it, but I'm just going to tell you what I do every single morning and what you guys should do for yourselves as well. So I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Let's hop straight into this video. The first thing I do in the morning when I get up is I turn off my alarm on my phone, obviously, right? As you should. Turn off your fucking alarm clock or turn off your phone or whatever the situation is. And usually what the normal reaction is to just grab your phone and sloth back into bed or hit snooze or whatever the situation is. But the more you push yourself in the morning, the more successful you're going to be in the mornings. I always say, and I've always been taught my whole life, that if you conquer the morning, the rest of the day is going to be very, very good. The rest of the day is going to be very successful. Conquer your fucking morning and everything will fall into place after that. If you're not getting enough sleep, your mornings are gonna fucking suck. The mornings set the tone for the day. So if you start your morning off like really, really rough, you might by the end of the day be in a better mood just because of some things that you're doing throughout the day, but you want to start the day on a running start. That's what I've always been doing, and that's what I've been taught and like grown up with my whole life. And the days that I don't do the things that I need to do for myself, I just feel like shit. I'm really unproductive. I'm not like getting stuff done that I need to get done. So the minute I get out of my bed and turn off my alarm, I just go straight into Spotify on my phone and I just like blast music. Like I literally just fucking play whatever song I want to play. It's a different song every single day. Some days it's like some throwback playlist or whatever, and then other days it's just like fucking rap, like hype rap. And then other days it's like Guardians of the Galaxy fucking playlist. You know what I'm saying? Like it's just random ass shit every single day. It doesn't matter what you play. Whatever is going to get you in that mood. You know what I'm saying? And after I start playing the music, what I'll do is I'll get up and I'll just start moving around. Like I'll literally just start doing push-ups. Like literally here's a video of me doing push-ups in the morning at like 8 a.m. just to get the blood flowing. It's great to get the blood flowing in the morning because it keeps you wide awake, gets you wide awake. You know, that's the first thing you do in the morning. And even though you might be hungry in the morning, I feel like it's good to get that blood flowing, and like it just makes breakfast taste so much better, and like it really does get your day started. You know, it gets your day rolling and stuff like that. I'm not saying like get into an extreme 45 like cardio fucking killing like workout in the morning. I'm just saying like get the blood flowing. You know what I'm saying? Like move around, do a little jumping jack, like just shuffle your feet around. Like the music is playing, the energy is flowing, right? So like let the blood flow through you as well. Like do some push-ups, do some shoulder taps, do some like ab workouts. You know what I'm saying? So those are the things that I like to do in the morning. And after I'm done with that, I hop right into the shower and just fucking dunk myself in that cold shower water. I take a cold shower every single morning. No matter how cold it is in my room, no matter how cold it might be outside, no matter how hot it is, whatever the situation is, I literally just turn the fucking right knob all the way. It's cold, and I just jump in that hole. Like, don't even think about it. And the best part about like getting the blood flowing in the morning too is you get hot right away. You get your blood temperature is going up, right? So when you hop in that shower, it's actually cooling in the morning. It's not even that bad. And yeah, I mean, I just hop in the shower, clean myself, get ready for class, stuff like that, right? After I'm done with the shower, I get back in my room, I make my bed. That's the first thing I do. After I'm done making my bed, I feel like it's making your bed in the morning is one of the most like the greatest habit that you can do for yourself, because you're training your dopamine to like work for something in the morning. It's not, everything's not just getting handed to you, you know what I'm saying? You're not scrolling on social media right now. You're not like getting a bunch of information thrown at you. You're just simply focused on making your bed right now. It's a great skill to do every single day that helps build your discipline. It helps build your mindset every single day. After I'm done making my bed, I will put on a fit. You know what I'm saying? Like, we always gotta look drippy as hell, you know what I'm saying, for the day. After I got a nice ass fit on, I go into the bathroom, put my deodorant, put on my cologne, you know what I'm saying, all that shit. And then I go make breakfast. Breakfast usually consists of fruits and like eggs and stuff like that, you know. Any vitamins that you need to take throughout the day, take that shit in the morning with some meal. You know, and then after I'm done eating all my food, I just drink a shit ton of water. Actually, but there's a lot of people that, and I used to do this as well. It's like when I get up, the first thing I do in the morning is like drink water. But I don't know. I've just been like recently, what I've been doing is like after I'm done eating all my food and after I'm done taking my shower and all this shit, I'll just like fucking pound, just like drink a shit ton of fucking water. And I just feel a lot better doing that. It makes me feel really productive and clear-minded. So after I'm done with all that stuff, then I just head to class. And that's basically how my mornings start. If you add some things to this routine, or if you make this routine yourself, I would highly suggest, no matter what routine you make in the morning, just start playing music and move around. I think moving around in the morning is one of the most like important things you can do for your body and your mind. And especially just, you're groggy as fuck in the morning, like, make sure you get enough sleep. Make sure you get enough sleep, because if you're not getting enough sleep, your morning's going to be like shit, right? You're going to be tired as fuck. You're not going to be wanting to do anything. And the hardest thing about all these things in the morning that you have to do for yourself, I would say the hardest thing is the coldest shower, because every single time I have to like amp myself up and really push myself to just sit in that cold shower. It's not even that big of a task when you look at it. It's just a shower, right? It doesn't matter. It doesn't make that big of a difference. Well, to me, it does. It makes a lot of difference with my stress levels, and I feel like it helps a lot with my hair, my skin, and everything like that. And I don't know, it really does wake you up in the morning. You know, that's the biggest thing. It just wakes you up and makes you alert and ready for the day. So when you're going through these things as well, I would add affirmations as well. You know what I'm saying? Like when you're getting ready for school, like you're brushing your teeth and all that stuff, like in the mirror, just tell yourself, like, I am having an amazing day today. I'm doing great today. You know, reiterate these things to yourself. Maybe journal if you want to journal in the morning. Me personally, I just don't have time for that because I'm trying to get ready for class and everything like that. But there's definitely a lot more things I could be adding, and there's definitely things I'm going to be adding in the future. But these are just the things that I'm getting on right now as my routine is being built every single day, and I'm following these things. So those are probably the best things that I would suggest for you guys to do every single day, because honestly, man, like, my days have been getting so much better since I've been doing this for myself. And I'm not saying you have to copy this exact routine. Do what you want with it. Like, you could take bits from it and add it to your own routine, but it definitely has helped a lot. And that's what I have to say for making your mornings great, guys. If I find anything else that I'm going to add to my routine, I will update you guys and let you guys know, obviously. But that's the end of this video. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you guys' support. Make sure to leave a like. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you guys have anything else you guys want me to make videos on, or you have anything you want me to clarify on, leave a comment down below, and I will be more than glad to help you guys out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Love you guys. Peace.